In this video, I'll tell you about the new element introduced of hard money in refund request. The reason behind introducing hard money is that when the patient schedules the appointment, the slot is booked, and some patient used to cancel their appointment few days before their appointment is scheduled. So to cope up with these type of cases, hard money was required. We have four type of cases. I'm on a demo patient, and I have scheduled appointment of surgery for this demo patient of different dates. So on the patient portal, we have a tab of refund request. I have refunded my money as a patient. There is a refund button over here. I have refunded, so this button is showing me a view button. So the case number one is that if the patient requests for refund when the days left are between 0 to 30 days to the surgery, then 15% amount will be deducted from the amount paid. So this is the appointment date of surgery which I have scheduled, and the patient has paid an amount of 3560. This is the hard money which is non-refundable, and this is 1780. So in this case, 50% amount is deducted as the patient has a request for refund when the days are between 0 to 30 days to the surgery. Similarly, the other case is if the patient requests for refund 60 days before the appointment, then $50 will be deducted only. So this is the appointment surgery date, and patient has paid 3560, and only $50 is deducted, which is the hard money, because more than 60 days were left. The third case is that if the days left are greater than 45 days and less than equal to 60 days, then $1000 will be deducted. So in this case, the appointment surgery date is of 2022, and hard money is 1000. In this case, only $1000 is deducted because days left are greater than 45 days. So the fourth case is if the days left are greater than 30 days and less than equal to 44 days, then 25% amount will be deducted from the amount paid. So in this case, the date for the surgery appointment is shown, and a patient has paid $3000, and hard money is, which is non-refundable, is 750, which is 25% of 3000. So in this case, the days are left are greater than 30 days and less than 44 days. So 25% amount is deducted in this case. So this is how hard money is working.